Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible life story of Heidi Fleiss, once known as the Hollywood Madam. She was a household name in the 1990s, surrounded by scandal, power, and celebrity clients. But what happened after the headlines faded? And where is Heidi Fleiss now? Let's take a closer look. Heidi Lynn Fleiss was born in Los Angeles, California in 1965. She grew up in a wealthy family and eventually became infamous in the early 1990s for running one of the most high-profile prostitution rings in Hollywood. Her clients allegedly included actors, producers, and wealthy businessmen. The media couldn't get enough of her, and she quickly became known as the Hollywood Madam. In 1993, Heidi was arrested and later convicted on multiple charges, including tax evasion. She served time in federal prison, which marked a dramatic fall from her glamorous and notorious lifestyle. After her release, Heidi struggled to rebuild her image, bouncing between business ideas, reality television appearances, and interviews where she reflected on her past. In the years following, Heidi tried several ventures, from attempting to open a legal brothel in Nevada, staffed by male sex workers, to working in the media spotlight. However, many of these projects never took off as she hoped. Over time, she shifted her focus to something very different from her earlier years: animal rescue, particularly exotic birds. Where is Heidi Fleiss now? As of now, Heidi Fleiss lives in Pahrump, Nevada, where she runs an exotic bird sanctuary. She has dedicated her life to rescuing and caring for parrots and macaws, giving them a safe and loving environment. While she occasionally makes headlines, especially when speaking out about her past, she has largely stepped away from the world of Hollywood and scandal. Her life now is quieter, more private, and centered on her animals. Heidi Fleiss's story is one of dramatic rise, a very public fall, and a surprising transformation. Once a symbol of Hollywood scandal, she's now a caretaker for creatures who needed saving, finding peace in the Nevada desert. It's a reminder that no matter how wild someone's past may be, they can always choose a different path. What do you think of Heidi's transformation? Do you believe people can truly reinvent themselves? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Where Are They Now updates. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious.